Well, we have officially moved into the fixer-upper, and I'm just starting where I did on episode 1, down here in the basement bedroom. We did decide to go with two-tone, so we haven't done it yet, but we're going to do the beadboard on the bottom, kind of like a green on the top, not like a, Oscar the Grouch green, but kind of a grayish green. I don't know, you'll see when we're done with it. Anyway, here's the furniture that we have not yet set up. There's a mattress, but we haven't done a whole lot in this room, so I'll take you on. Well, actually, we haven't done a whole lot to the basement because we're in the living area. We haven't done a thing to this bathroom, but the toilet works. That's important. Here in the storage, laundry, whatever closet you want to call this, we did get the washer and dryer in here, but the hose is not long enough for the dryer, so David's got to get that fixed. And he did paint the wall back there. If you remember the wall from before, it was terribly disgusting, horrible, awful. And he did rip all of these cabinets out, and he's got to put a sealant because there was some water coming through, and he's going to put a sealant on there to protect that from any other future water damage. Walking here into the kitchen, we got a new dishwasher and moved the fridge and stove upstairs so that we could use that for now. We are going to redo this kitchen, which I am ridiculously excited about because this will be strictly for entertaining wine pairings, parties, dinner parties. I'm really into all that stuff, so that's what we're going to be doing with this room. Over here, I haven't done anything with this yet except brought all of our stuff in, and we haven't really arranged anything. I'm going to set this up as my temporary office for the time being whenever we finish getting all the other stuff from the other house. Go up the stairs again. First things first. See that? Yeah, this house needed a new HVAC. So that was our first big expense. Hey, Bubba. And you know that we're living here because the animals have moved in. But, I mean, this is the same furniture that I believe we had here in the last episode, if I remember correctly. Don't mind the psychotic cat running around, or kitten running around. The death trap deck is still there. We're getting things put together. Oh boy. But yeah, now we can watch TV. Now we can eat. The kitchen. What have we done in the kitchen? So we moved that refrigerator from downstairs that I was just talking about in the basement. He installed the microwave, which is pretty awesome. And then we moved the stove up here. Most importantly, let's zoom in here on the most important item right there in the center. We have to have coffee in the morning. Now, he did replace that light fixture right there, the light fixture above the window, and I got my little dish rack in there so I can wash dishes. Let's ignore that empty bottle of wine. No judgment. We have been moving all week. He did install this new fan right here, which is pretty nice. And apparently the fan that was there before was leaking oil or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, he had to fix that. Walking back here into our bedroom, we got all... God, cat, you're crazy. We got our furniture moved in. And I'm really surprised that this king-size bed fit into this room, but it fit pretty nicely. I mean, we could put our dresser and everything. Moving on to the big boys' room. I don't know about y'all, but that's really cool. I'm sorry. That's really, really cool. Got it from Amazon. It was less than $200. He has had no problems sleeping whatsoever. He's been sleeping the best out of all of us since we moved into this house, and he's just been so pumped about this car bed. So I'll post a link down underneath for this car bed because he just absolutely loves it, and it was pretty simple to put together. So we got all of his stuff in here so that he can feel at home. Only thing we've done here in this bathroom temporarily is to install a shower head and put the blinds up so that our neighbors are not getting a peep show whenever we take a shower. Cat! Good Lord. Then I'll take you up to the prettiest room in the house at the moment. Oh, there's the cat station. So, we got the litter box in there. He put a little door to keep the stench out, because if you've ever had a cat, you know how it goes with litter boxes. And he has started on, look at that beautiful pink toilet. He started on this bathroom. Cat, seriously? He started on this bathroom pulling down the wallpaper, and he went ahead and put this new tile in because there was carpet in here, and then I think it was linoleum or vinyl or something that was underneath it, and he said it was absolutely horrible. So he put this tile in here. We are going to keep this as a half bathroom for the time being, and then expand that into a full bathroom. Oops. As time goes on. Now, this is the prettiest room in the house, I think. Pink. We replaced the carpet. Oh, did I mention we replaced the carpet in the basement bedroom? Sorry about that. Anyway, new carpet, new paint. Got her bedroom set up. It's all nice and pretty. And there goes Psycho. We are going to replace the doors and all that kind of stuff. So that sums it up for now. It's we're living in here full time. It's been a bit of an adventure. We moved during Christmas break when the kids were out of school. I'm not really sure what we were thinking on that part, but we are all settled in, and every day we work on something little, whether it's here or the other house. But as soon as we get that sold, we'll be able to move on with the major renovations here, with doing an addition and all that stuff. So stay tuned. See you next time. Bye-bye. So I'm minding my own business down in the kitchen where I hear scratching. Couldn't tell where the scratching is coming from. I thought maybe it was a squirrel on the roof, but it sounded way, way, way too close. Realized I left the door open to the bathroom upstairs that is being worked on, and our adorable little fella, where'd you go, buddy? Cosmo is trapped. And I can hear him in here, and the poor thing cannot get out. Drama makes good TV, right? So here is our first dilemma. I can't help him because this little hole is freaking tiny, and he jumped down just fine, but now he can't get back up. Cosmo! So now David is on his way home to try to help save the kitten. Please wish us luck. Hey, Bubba. We're gonna get you out of there, okay? I'm waiting for David to get home because there is a little spot up here that we can access. But with all this stuff in the way, and I'm not tall enough, and he's got the ladder. So I am waiting on David to come save the day, save the kitten, get him out of this little bear hole that he's in right now. Where'd you go? No, buddy. We're gonna get you out. He made it out. Poor little thing. Jumped up. He had his little claws wrapped around the outside of that edge that he went through, and I had to grab onto him and pull him back. So he's a little worn out now. He's covered in dust, but he's safe, he's happy, and he's a little turd. So stay tuned for next time. Hopefully we won't have anything crazy or too crazy happen. I mean, it's a little kitten. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.